children, we have come on day 38. Day 38 is dealing with area measurement. Topic is measuring unit and subtopic is problems on measuring time. So let us recall, we use the units meter, gram and liter every day to measure length, mass and capacity respectively. So we measure length in the unit meter, we measure mass in the unit gram and capacity in the unit liter. So while shopping we use units rupees and paise. Okay, so let us see what is there in the concept corner. In concept corner we have these solved examples. Example 1, add 23 kilometer 150 meter plus 17 kilometer 650 meter. So as you all can see, it is added, and when in meter the answer is more than 1000, what we have to do, we have to subtract 1000 from meter and we have to add 1 in kilometer, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So when we get 450 plus 750, here 450 plus 750, what will be the actual answer? It will be 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carrying, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So we get 1200, 1200, wait, we get 1200, which is bigger than 1000. So if the meter answer is bigger than 1000, we have to subtract 1000 from this number and we will have to add 1 in the kilometer. Okay, so when we subtract 1000 from 1200, we get 200 as the answer, and here we have to add 1, so we get 41. So in this way, whenever you get answer which is bigger than 1000 in meter, subtract 1000 from there and add 1 in the kilometer, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. And while subtracting, here we can see the sum of subtraction. So in subtraction, if the number which is written below, that means the second number is having bigger number in meter, we have to add 1000 in the above number which is written first, and then you can subtract 1 from the kilogram. You have to add 1000 in gram and you can subtract 1 from kilogram. Same way which we have done in our previous videos, in previous activity sheet. In the same way we will be doing this. When we do this, you will get better understanding for these sums. So you can write these sums, copy down these sums from the PDF. Two more solved examples are there, addition and subtraction. Same thing we will have to do. If the answer of milliliter is bigger than 1000, we have to subtract 1000 from the answer and we will have to add 1 in the liter. And while subtraction, what we have to do, if the number which is written below is bigger than the number which is written above, we have to add 100. As it is rupees and paise, so we all know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, and that's why we will have to add 100 in the paise and we have to subtract 1 from the rupees. Same method we will have to apply. So let us see, we have to solve the questions in challenge corner. We will be solving the questions in challenge corner. You will get better understanding for these types of sums. So this is our activity sheet number 38. Area is measurement. Topic is measuring unit and subtopic is problems on measuring time. In challenge corner we have given these 4 sums in addition. So let us solve. First there is 44 rupees 20 paise and 28 rupees 60 paise. So rupees and paise are there. Rupees and paise. We will add them. 44 rupees 20 paise and 28 rupees 60 paise. So 20 plus 60 is 80 and 44 plus 28, 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 carrying, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So it is simple addition. We are getting 72 rupees and 80 paise. As 80 paise is smaller than 100, we don't require to subtract 100 from this. When the number is bigger than 100, we will subtract because it is in paise. So we all know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So when here we get answer bigger than 100, we will subtract 100 from this answer. But now we have got paise which is less than 100. We don't require to subtract 100 from this paise. Now next is 61 liter 750 ml and 21 liter 950 ml, liter and milliliter. Okay, here we have got 61 and 750 plus 21 and 950. Now let us add 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carrying, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. And then 61 plus 21 will be 82. Now see, here we have got an answer which is bigger than 1000, because we all know 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So what we do here, we subtract 1000 from this number and we will add 1 in the liter. So we get exact answer now. 1700 minus 1000 is 700. I write here. And 82 plus 1 is 83. So in this way, when this number is bigger than 1000 in milliliter, so we will have to subtract 1000 and we will have to add 1 in the liter. Now next one is kilogram and gram. So we write here kilogram and gram. Write the numbers. 49 kilogram 340 gram plus 11 kilogram 500 gram. Now let us add. 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8, 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carrying, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have got the number which is less than 1000. We don't require to subtract 1000. Now next is kilometer, meter. So I write here kilometer and meter. Let us write the numbers. 35 kilometer 850 meter, 46 kilometer 630 meter. Addition. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3 8, and 8 plus 6 is 14 we are getting here. And then 35 plus 46, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 written, 1 carrying, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now see children, here we are getting number which is bigger than 1000. So when we get bigger number than 1000 in meter, what we do? We subtract 1000 from here. As 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, we add 1 here. So for this 1000 we are adding 1 here. What we get here? 480 and here 82. So this is the actual answer, 82 kilometer 480 meter. Now next question is subtract. 37 liter 250 milliliter and 29 liter 500 milliliter. So we write here liter, milliliter. We have to first write the number 237 and 250. Below that we will be writing 29 500. Now see children, subtraction we have to do, and upper number is smaller than the lower number, and we all know 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So what we do? We will be adding 1000 in this 250. Okay, I will show here. We will add 1000 in this 250. So actual we get 1250. As we are adding 1000 in this number, we will have to subtract 1 from 37 because 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So we have borrowed 1 liter from here. So we got 1000 milliliter, and that's why we will have to subtract 1 from 37. We get 36. Now we subtract 1200 and 500. 36 minus 29. So 1250 minus 500. What we will be getting? 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. And 12 minus 5 is 7. 750. And 36 minus 29. 6 minus 9 we cannot do. We have to do 16 minus 9. What will be the answer? 16 minus 9, 7. Okay, here we have to 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. So we get answer 7 liter 750 milliliter. Next one, rupees paise we are having. So I write here rupees and paise. First there is 50 rupees 30 paise. I write here 50 rupees 30 paise minus 38 rupees 20 paise. 38 rupees 20 paise. Now see, the lower number is smaller than the upper number, so we can subtract. 30 minus 20 is 10. 50 minus 38 is 12. So in this way directly we can subtract. We don't require to add 100 in that number because the upper number is bigger one. When the upper number is smaller, we will have to do the addition and subtraction over there. But otherwise, you can solve it by simple method. Now next one is kilometer and meter. So I write here kilometer, meter. First one 98 kilometer 720 meter. 98 720 minus 41 kilometer 960 meter. 41 960. Now see, 960 is bigger than 720. So the lower number is bigger than upper number. Upper number is smaller. So what we will have to do? We will have to add 1000 in this 720 because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we are borrowing 1 from here. 1 kilometer we are borrowing. That means what? We are borrowing 1000 meter. So 720 plus 1000. What we get? 1720. As we have borrowed 1000 from here, we have to subtract 98 minus 1. We get 97. So now we can do the subtraction like this. 1720 minus 960. So what we will get? 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 6 cannot be done. We have to do 12 minus 6 is 6. In place of this 17 we have to write 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. And then we have to subtract 97 minus 41. 7 minus 1 6 and 9 minus 4 is 5. 56 kilometer 760 meter is the answer. Now last sum. Kilogram, gram is there. 760 kilogram and 250 gram. 55 kilogram. 760 or 76. Let me check first. Children, it is 76. It is not 760. So we will have to rub this 0 here. So 76 kilogram, 250 gram and 55 kilogram, 750 gram. Again, as you all can see, this lower number is bigger than upper one. So we will have to add 1000 here because 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 250 plus 1000, we get 1250. Now we have borrowed this 1000 kilogram. That means we have borrowed, 1000 gram we have borrowed. That means we have borrowed 1 kilogram. So we will have to subtract 1 from 76. We get 75. Now subtract 1250 minus 750. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 12 minus 7 is 5. Next is 75 minus 55 is 20. So we have subtracted 75 minus 55 and 1250 minus 750. We get answer 20 kilogram 500 gram. So in this way you can do subtraction of these units, and addition also we have done here. So completed activity sheet number 38. Now let us go on day 39. So we are going to continue day 39th in the same video. Day 39th is dealing with the topic measuring unit. Area is measurement again, and subtopic is word problem. So the problems which we have learnt in our previous day on day 38, same problems are there, only we are going to solve word problems. So let us recall, in daily life we use the units meter, gram and liter every day to measure length, mass and capacity respectively. We studied addition, subtraction on it, and we learned many related concepts while shopping. So let us see what is there in the concept corner. In concept corner, we have given these two examples, solve example. So you all can see this example and solve in your notebook. First example is, for his birthday, Sagar gave 17 kg 500 g laddus and 12 kg to 250 g chivda to the children in Ashram Shala. How much snacks did Sagar donate? Total snack we have to find out. So 17 kg 500 gram plus 12 kg 250 gram. Simple addition is there. The answer is 29 kg 750 gram. So as this 750 is smaller than 1000, we don't require to subtract 1000 from this answer. So very easy, very simple sum here. Now let us see the second sum. In second sum, what is there? Shopkeeper made basundi from 120 liter 850 milliliter of milk out of 275 liter 500 milliliter of milk. So total milk he was having 250 liter 275 liter and 500 milliliter of milk, and out of this milk he made basundi of 120 liter 850 milliliter of milk. So we have to find out how much milk did he had now. So we have to do subtraction. You all know that we have to subtract 120 liter 850 milliliter from 275 liter 500 milliliter. So 500 is smaller than 850, and that's why what we have to do, we will have to add 1000 in this 500. We get 1500, and then we subtract 1500 minus 850, we get answer 160. So as we have borrowed 1000 from this 275, so we have to subtract 1 from 275, we get 274, and 274 minus 120 we get 154. Same method we have to apply, which we have done in 38, and before that also in activity sheet number 37, 36. Same method we will be applying here. Let us see what is there next. If one notebook cost 18 rupees 50 paise, how much will 15 notebook cost? So one notebook cost is given, and we have to find out the cost of 15 notebooks. That means we will have to multiply. So 18 rupees 50 paise multiply by 15, we get 450 450 rupees 750 paise. Now see, 750 paise is bigger than 100. So as it is bigger than 100, we will have to convert it into the rupees properly. So 750 means what? We will have to divide it by 100. We get 7.50. So in this 7.50, 7 is rupees and 50 is paisa. So 50 paisa we have to keep as it is, and this 7 rupees we will have to add in 450 rupees. So we get 457 rupees 50 paise. And in the last sum, what is there? If a wire that is 6 meter and 40 centimeter long is cut into pieces of 4 meter each, how many pieces will be made? So we have to do division. 6 meter 40 centimeter means what? Total it is 640 centimeter. 6 meter 40 centimeter means what? 640, because 6 meter means what? 600 centimeter. And this 600 centimeter we will be adding 40 centimeter, we get 640 centimeter. And then we have to divide 640 divide by 4. The answer is 160. So 160 pieces should be cut. Okay. So in this way, we can solve these sums of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We are having 4 sums in challenging corner also. So let us check the sums and we will solve these sums in our notebook. So this is my activity sheet number 39. Area is measurement, topic is measuring unit and subtopic is word problem. We will be solving the questions from challenging corner. If in the school one student get 11 kg 400 g rice, 11 kilogram 400 gram of rice from government, then how much rice does school get for 17 student from government? So one student got 11 kg 400 gram. We have to find out how much rice 17 student will get. So that means we will have to do the multiplication. So kilogram, gram I write here, and we have to multiply 11 kg 400 g by 17. Okay, if you know the 17 table, you can directly multiply. 17 zeros are 0, 17 zeros are 0, 17 fours are 68, 8 written, 6 is carried over, correct. 17 ones are 17, 17 plus 6 is 23, 3 written, 2 carried over. 17 ones are 17, 17 plus 2 is 19. So for 17 student, government has to send 193 kilogram and 800 gram of rice. So answer we will write, how much rice does school get for 17 student from the government? Therefore school gets 193 kilogram 800 gram of rice for 17 students. In this way we have to solve this sum. Very easy sum. Now let us go on the next sum. If Vijay spends 680 rupees 50 paise out of 912 rupees 50 paise for medicine. So he was having 912 rupees 50 paise together, and from this money he spent 680 rupees 50 paise on his medicine. So how much money does he have left? That means we will have to do the subtraction. So I write here rupees paise. Okay, and then we have to do the subtraction. 912 rupees 50 paise minus 680 rupees 50 paise. Very easy. 50 minus 50 0. Have I written the correct numbers? Let me check once again. Children, here it is 90 paisa. Okay, not 50. Here it is 90. So I will have to write 90 here. So this is 90. So 912 50 paisa minus 680 rupees 90 paisa. Now see, the number which is written below is bigger than the number which is written above. So what we will have to do, we know 100 paisa is 1 rupee. So we will have to add 100 in this 50. We get 150. Correct. As we are borrowing 100 paisa from this number 912 rupees, that means we are borrowing 1 rupee. So we will subtract 912 minus 1. We get 911. Now we will subtract 150 minus 90. What is 150 minus 90? We get 60 here. 6060. And 911 minus 680. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 8 cannot be done. We have to do 11. 11 minus 8. What will be the answer? 11 minus 8 is 3. We have borrowed 1 from here. 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 231 rupees 60 paisa is our answer. Therefore Vijay have left with 231 rupees 60 paise. Okay, now next sum. If buffaloes of farmer gives 63 liter 340 milliliter of milk in the morning and 51 liter 870 milliliter milk in the evening per day, then how much total milk produced per day? We have to find out total milk. So we will have to do the addition of liter and milliliter. So 63 liter 340 milliliter milk is given in the morning and 51 liter 870 milliliter milk is given in the evening. Okay, now add 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 return 1 carrying, 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 1 is 12, and 63 plus 51 is 3 plus 1 is 4 and 6 plus 5 is 11. Now see children, in liter we have got the number which is bigger than 1000. So we will be subtracting 1000 from here and we will be adding 1 here. So here the answer is 210 and here the answer is 115. So therefore total milk produced per day is 115 liter and 210 milliliter. Now let us go on the last question. Last question is to construct one pillar of 7 meter. It takes 1 sack of cement. So in 1 sack of cement 7 meter pillar is being constructed. So how many pillars can be constructed by 266 sacks? That means simple division we will have to do. 266 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 3s are 21, 7 fours are 28. 28 is bigger than 26, so we have to write 7 threes are 21. 26 minus 21, 5 is there. This 6 we have to write down. 7 8s are 56, 0, 0. 7 8s are 56. So how many sacks, how many pillars can be constructed from 266 sacks of cement? Therefore 38 pillars can be constructed by 266 sacks of cement. So in this way you can solve all these sums of multiplication. Then here we have done subtraction, then we have done addition and division. All 4 operations we have done in this activity sheet number 39. So we have completed activity sheet number 38 and 39 in this video. We will continue with activity sheet number 40 in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.